Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Guerrero. Today's book is Pigs Make Me Sneeze. And this is our sight word over here. Where is it? Ooh, me, M-E. Pigs make me sneeze. And here's lots of Gerald sneezing away. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald. What do you want to do today? I want, yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Achoo! And there goes Piggy flying. Sniff. Are you okay? I don't know. Achoo! I cannot stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if dum-da-dum-dum-dum? What if dum-da-dum-dum-dum? What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, dum-da-dum-dum-dum. Oh, he's crying. No, do not speak. It's too late. Choo. Goodbye, Gerald. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Give him a big hug. Piggy, Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. Oh, now Piggy has a cold too. The end. All right, let's do our questions now. Are you ready? It says, who are the three characters in the story? And we start off by saying the three characters are, and if you said Gerald and Piggy and Cat Doctor, you are correct. And what is Gerald's problem? You should start off by saying the problem is, or Gerald's problem is, he can't stop sneezing. What does Dr. Cat tell Gerald? Dr. Cat tells Gerald that he has a cold and that he's not allergic to pigs or cats. And did you like the story? Why or why not? You would start off by saying, yes, I like the story because, or no, I did not like the story because. And I hope you enjoyed the story, Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Stay tuned for our next story, Clock the Shark Afraid of the Dark. See you soon.